Alright guys, we're gonna do a bike check. Got Odyssey Chase Hawk grips, Odyssey par ends, Odyssey lumberjack bars, Fit DLR stem, FSA impact headset, Odyssey R25 forks, got a Fit FAF 2.25 tan wall tire. I think it's the street one or the dirt one, don't really care. A shitty Eastern rim, laced with 43 hardware spokes, to Colony Clone hub and chrome, with a ball and asphalt tag. And then we got Odyssey JCPC pedals, some shitty stock DK cranks, because Fit ones suck and they broke. Got a Fit DLR fucking sprocket. Ah! Got a Fit DLR sprocket. And then on this side, got a kink gay ugly bottom bracket. Like, look how ugly that thing is. It's ew. And in the back wheel, got another Fit FAF 2.25 tan wall, either dirt or street, don't care again. Laced with an Alienation black sheep rim to 43 hardware spokes to a left-hand drive Colony Clone hub, female edition. Got another gay salt peg on here. And then for my seat area, got a Chris Koviak signature profile seat with a random ass seat post clamp and seat post. And for the frame, we got a Fly Tierra 2, I think, with no brake mounts because I cut them off and painted them. And that is all. Boom. Broken. Oh, fuck you, James! Ow!
Linked to his chain.
The headphones are in my ear, Jake.
Oh, I thought that was your headphones. No, it's in there.
Ow! Fucker!
See your knee, let's see.
I got the cord that broke.
Yo, help your litter down, full spray.